Hello everyone! In this video, we'll show you how to create a new list, explore its settings, and manage its views. You can create a list directly in Collections or within any folder or subfolder. To start, click the Add button and select List. A new empty list will be created instantly, and you can begin adding tasks right away. You can rename it, move it to a folder or subfolder, or archive or delete it. Before we continue, let's rename this list to My Work. You can also easily add lists to your favorites by clicking Add to Favorites. Favorited items appear in the sidebar for quick access. Now click on Settings to open the list settings. Here, you can assign a template to your list. A template is a predefined setup that includes custom statuses, priorities, categories, and task fields, helping you quickly configure your list for a specific workflow. You can also create your own templates in Custom Templates. To apply a template to this list, open the Template drop-down and choose from the pre-built templates or any custom templates you've created. In this example, I'm selecting the Quick To Do template. Next, let's look at the Sharing and Privacy section. You can make this list private by turning on Make Private. Once it's private, only you can access it. You can also share it with specific users in the current space and even assign them specific permissions for this list. In this example, I'm assigning View-Only permission. Permissions set at the list level override those assigned at the folder or subfolder this list belongs to, as well as the user's role. For example, if a user has edit permission for the folder, but you set their permission to view only for this specific list, they'll only be able to view the list and won't be able to make changes. You can turn off Make Private at any time to make the list accessible to users in the space. Once you've made all the required changes, click Done to close the modal. Now let me add a few sample tasks using Quick Task. Enter the details and hit Enter to create a task and continue creating more. By default, a new list will come with Overview Dashboard and 5 preloaded views: Checklist, Board, Table, Calendar, and Gantt. These are designed to help you and your team visualize your tasks in different ways. You can also easily drag the views to rearrange their order. The first view in the list will be opened by default when you open this list. Rename, share it to public, duplicate, or delete any view. If you need a completely new view, just click on Add View and select any view of your choice. You can customize each of these views by saving specific filters, sorting, or grouping. Let's apply some filters to Overdue view. Set status not completed and due date is past due. This will display only the tasks that are overdue. Now let's sort the tasks in the Overdue view. Click Sort, enable due date, and choose descending order. The tasks will now be sorted from the most recent to the oldest due date. You can also apply multiple sorting criteria. In this example, I've added priority and descending order as the second sort option, so the tasks are arranged first by due date and then by priority. Next, let's look at grouping. By default, tasks are grouped by status, but you can also group them by category or priority. Click on the Group drop-down and choose Category. Now the tasks are organized by category. You can also hide or show any of the groups as needed. To group by priority instead, just open the Group drop-down again and choose Priority. Now the tasks are organized by priority. You can also hide or show any of the groups as needed. Once you've finished making changes, click Save to keep them to the view. To discard your changes, click Reset instead.